Good morning, students. Lesson 3 Keyboard. Our today's topic is Introduction of Keyboard, Cursor Control Keys, Backspace Key, and Delete Key. Students, this is your page number 30. Open your book, page number 30. The keyboard is a device that consists of a number of keys. It helps us to type on the computer. We can type with the help of keyboard. We can type by pressing keys on the keyboard of a computer. Whatever we type on the keyboard appears on the monitor. Means whatever we type on the keyboard, we can see it on the monitor. A keyboard generally has 104 keys. The most common keyboard that is used these days is a QWERTY keyboard. It is so called because the first 6 alphabet keys present on the keyboard are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. Children, in this below picture, you can see there are highlighted keys, highlighted with the red color border, that are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. So, this is called QWERTY keyboard. Now, our first key, cursor control keys. I will explain this. First, cursor control keys. The cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor. It shows the position of the next letter or number to be entered on the screen. The cursor looks like this. This is the standing line. This is called cursor. The cursor control keys, also called the arrow keys, are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. These keys makes the cursor move up, down, left and right. So children, you can see here there are the picture of cursor control keys. We can also say it arrow keys. The arrow marked on the keys shows the direction in which the cursor moves, that is up, down, left and right. And also I will explain this through the video. Children, now see here. First is cursor control keys. The cursor is a small blinking line. You can see there is a small blinking line before letter C. It is known as cursor. We can move this cursor through the arrow keys. Means there are 4 types of arrow keys: up, down, left and right. So this is down arrow key. The cursor moves down, then up, then right and then left. So you can see the cursor moves when we press the arrow keys. Then backspace key. Now I will explain backspace key. The spelling of backspace is BACKSPACE KEY. It is backspace key. When we press the backspace key, erases anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Here, see the word given. It is mouse, MOUSSE. So it is wrong spelling. We have to erase one S from here. So we will place our cursor before E and then use backspace key to erase the extra S. So you can see it is the right spelling. Then MOUSE, it is the right spelling. Backspace key erases from the left side of the cursor. You can see here. Now, third is delete key. Spelling of delete is DELETE, delete key. When we press the delete key, erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Here we will see one example. Floppy, FLOOPPY. So it is the wrong spelling. So we have to correct this spelling. For this, position the cursor after L and then use delete key to erase the extra O. So now we will press delete key, and this is the right spelling of floppy, FLOPPY. So we seen here the use of backspace key and delete key. See, the delete key erases anything from the right side and backspace key erases anything from the left side of the cursor. Now students, understand the difference between backspace key and delete key. Again see here carefully. Backspace key erases from the left side of the cursor and delete key erases from the right side of the cursor.